Audrey. Welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited today. I am all about bronze, beautiful tan looking skin in the summer. And sometimes we have to fake it. But so today is all about bronzy, natural, glowy makeup. I've done other versions of this. This is going to be kind of a different version, but something that has that bronzy glow, summertime skin. So hang on and please hit that subscribe button and let's just have a little fun doing a bronze makeup look today. Okay, let's just jump in. I'm really excited about this. We're going to use some products I haven't used in a little while, and we're going to make it very glowy and bronzy today. I have some faux tan on, and I've been out in the sun. We were in our marching band and we were out in the sun, but I'm going to use this to prep my skin, and this is Milani Rose Prep and Bright. I don't put it in my T-zone. I just put it on the cheeks. Kind of have that nice glow to the skin, and a little bit over my mouth. A Real Techniques blender, and I'm going to use my Stila Aqua Foundation. I believe this is in medium tan, so it should be a pretty good color. The applicators, which is kind of interesting. It's a very fluid, liquidy foundation, almost like a serum foundation. I'm just going to put some back here, put some on there. This is not going to be heavy coverage at all today. This is supposed to look like you've got gorgeous glowing skin without any help. But you know, we have to fake it a little bit. So it needs a little bit more in here. I'm gonna use my mirror so I can see what I'm doing. My bangs are getting so long. There. So I like that foundation. I don't use it very often, but when I want something like this, this is a good one. This color seems to be one of the better colors for me right now, which is the Revolution Conceal and Define C7. Yeah, this is one that has that huge range of colors, so you can find every tone, undertone, and lightness or darkness that you want. And I am going to hit it right in here. I'm not going to do too much concealing, just around where I have shadowing or broken capillaries or redness, and a little bit here because I get shadowing with, this is a really good one. This is e.l.f. concealer brush. I just buff it in to the skin. I love that. Now we're going to stick to a lot of creams, and we're going to go back to my cream Stila. We're doing a lot of Stila today, and this is blush, but I'm going to use it a little bit like a contour and a blush together. So this I'm going to use first, and then I'm going to go into this color for the blush. I'm just going to use a little flat top blending brush. I'm going to go into the one that looks a little bit more brown toned, and it's going to be right in here, right where I would put concealer or contour, sorry. There we go. It's like a cream contour, and I do have those, but I'm trying this out. It's kind of double duty. And then we're going to blend it into the other cream blush. Put a little bit around my forehead. I do have a cream contour that I'm going to do my jaw with, but I wanted to hit this, and then I'm going to go to this color. It's a little rosier, but still on the warm tone. And this is the one that I'm going to get in there. And this is very concentrated, so I'm going to kind of pat it on first, right on the apples, and bring it up and kind of blend it in with what we just put down. Oh, isn't that just really, really pretty? This is kind of a mauve-y color, I would say. I'm just going to go to this little Wet n Wild one, and it's not overly dark, but I'm going to just do a little bit of contouring on the jaw, right in here. You don't really need to do this if you don't want to, but I want to get a nice crisp jaw, and then I'm going to put a little bit up in here. I'm not going to worry about the cheeks because I kind of like what's happening right there. And it does blend pretty well. This cream blends very nicely. It's going to give you a light contour here. So already I'm liking it. Looks like I've spent a lot of time in the sun, which is, I do wear SPF, but we're just gonna have a little fun with this. I'm gonna go to a simple eye. First, of course, I'm gonna put my primer on my eye, and we're gonna do a bronzy eye. I even have the Milani. We're gonna do the bronze, I love this one, pencil for the eye, bronzy looking. So this is the Elizabeth Arden eye primer, which is my fave. Since we're sticking to the bronzy stuff, I'm gonna go to the Pixie palette because these are warm tones, bronze tones, golden tones. We're gonna have a little fun. Probably use this one, and maybe this over here. The champagne color is really, really pretty. Let's see. Let's go right for, let's just do kind of a easy, let's make it easy. I'm just gonna go right for this one and just kind of have a wash of bronzy brown. It has a little sheen to it, and we're gonna do that all over the lid. Just make it easy. So it'll be slightly smoky, but kind of a daytime smoky eye. So just really, really nice all over wash. And then, whoop. I'm even gonna use a bronzy, oh no, that's not it. I'm also gonna use a beautiful bronze from Milani. This lip is like rosy bronze, I think it was what it was called, and I love it. Right in the center, so it'll almost be like a halo eye. The golden one here, right in the center of my lid with my finger, because it's just easy. You know, let's stick to easy. Dun, 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 dun. And I don't want it too light, but I want it just to pop. See? Easy peasy. This bronzy pencil, it's metallic lights. So it's very, very metallic bronze. See that little glimmer there? And I'm going to line the whole eye with that. And then we're going to smoke it out with a brush, which is going to make it easy. I actually might do a black kohl liner on top that give a little more definition, but I'm going to line underneath with this and smoke it out. And because I like to lock it in, I'm going to dip it into this cocoa shimmery color too. And blend it in, smoke it out. Isn't that just a pretty, pretty color? Very bronzy, which is what we want. All bronze all the time. I should call this bronze metal makeup. But that's not first place. We won first place. What's happening? Kohl, just a kohl. This is Essence Kohl Kajal, or whatever you want to call it, on the top, just to get some more definition, because if you choose to, smoke that out as well. Which I will just do my regular brow routine, which you should know by now probably. Ultra Precise here, Wet n Wild, and the L'Oreal Stylist, and I'll be right back. Okay, we're just gonna hit a little powder down the center, and then I have a special powder for the rest of the face so we don't get rid of the glow. Just gonna tap into my Bare Pro, just to hit right under here, which I've discovered I actually can do and not have it crease, because I'm not going all the way across, just kind of in here and around my nose. What I love is the Selfie powder, HD powder from e.l.f. And this is the one that has a little bit of micro glitter in it, but again, if you use a light hand, you have a nice glow, so you can keep the glow going, but you're setting it as well. See, it doesn't take away from the glow at all. Just a little bit. So the glow is still there, which I really like. Actually, I'm going to use this. This is Underground by Gerard Cosmetics. It's very gray brown, but as you can see, that'll go well. So I like to overline and make it look natural. But I'm going to be blending it in and trying to look somewhat natural on the lips. Okay, we're going to use the Milani Rosy Bronze, which I love. This is, yep, Rosy Bronze. Beautiful, beautiful color. I'm going to see that. I love this. I love this. Big old doe foot on this thing. It's almost gone because I use it too much. See how bronze that is, but there's a hint of rose in it, so it's not overly It has a little bit of pink. There we go. Going to throw on my mascara and shall return. Hi everybody, I'm back and I have my lashes on, which is just Superhero from It Cosmetics. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this. This is a fun summer makeup, bronzy skin, easy to do if you really want to look like you've been out in the sun. Got some color. Anyway, I hope you've enjoyed this. Let me know if you like this kind of thing, you want to see some more content like that. Please subscribe if you haven't, like and comment, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.